brand name new 2019 Land Rover Defender will endure colossal cuts. The overhaul is bringing a restyled vehicle, with tricking look. Famous hybrid expects a modernization and is starting in 2019. Various changes are almost arranged. So any desires for a few fans are still high up on the 2018 year demonstrate. In any case, as of now, it is in all probability that Defender isn't a model for next season. One of the noteworthy updates stays in the lineup. Existing trim levels will get execution-supported SVR variety. This will cause a considerable measure of enthusiasm without a doubt. The pristine hybrid will use a 2.2-liter 4-barrel drivetrain as its essential framework. All trims, with the exception of SVR, will misuse the exceptionally same motor. This unit is proficient to convey 120 horsepower and 260 pounds-to-foot of torque. Diesel framework is combined with a 6-speed program transmission. Max speed for the SUV is 145 miles for each hour. Speeding up isn't so amazing considering that new Defender needs 16 seconds to achieve 60 miles for every hour. In like manner, its motor is everything except fuel inviting. The hybrid is devouring 10 liters/100 kilometers or goes 28 miles per gallon. In any case, 4WD is utilizing incredible footing, which is sufficiently solid to check any rough terrain challenge. Outside, we will distinguish 16-inch wheels. The absolute best option for tires is Michelin's Latitude Cross model. The SVR adaptation will develop edges. Standard offer incorporates halogen headlamps and warmed back windshield. Similarly, the back advance is collapsible, and side glass is tinted. A portion of the extra gadgets are xenon globules, haze lights, forming unit, and headlamps. Defenders. Given that Defender is exceptional SUV for towing, it can end up working gadget pretty effortlessly. With sufficient space behind the second column of seats, there gets the job done space for freight. The 2019 Land Rover Defender will have a best amid in the year. Regardless, it is as yet an inquiry when this hybrid is coming to merchants. Another subject for reports is the rate. Settlement Rover Defender standard offer comprises of a $70,000 sticker price. The SVR rendition is most likely someplace around $100,000. The last uncertainty is about appearance in the US. Land Rover need to satisfy high rules. And it isn't probably going to see British hybrid in North America in 2019.